now that it's on the 12 by 24 inch mat, if you don't have a 12 by 24 inch mat but you want to still cut these out, what you can do is you can select that and edit group, and what I do is I just move that out here, these, edit group, move them out here. Oops, you don't want to grab anything except for what you as the one piece group. Move that out here. Now these are obviously going to be much longer than your mat if you want to do it on the 12 by 12, so I do suggest deleting those totally and just cutting them out as you would normally cut out a pattern, unless you want to learn how to design, trace it and make your own design. At the moment I'm just showing how to do this. So put it on a 12 by 12 mat. So I grouped all the pieces. We will change the size of the mat now, like this. This one here, I better group that one. Right, it's much easier to move them when they're grouped. You're not likely to miss anything, so they can be reasonably close together, so you're not going to waste a whole lot of leather. And this here shows you can go like that. Right, now we really want to get these pieces in, so I'm going to see if I can actually move this one down. And let's see if we can move this in here. There we go. So they are actually all the pieces that you need, except for the straps, which are easy enough and pretty straightforward to cut out. But you could do the whole lot on the bigger mat or this one. So what we do here, we go download. It will always say some of the elements are going to automatically be removed and converted in due to very small size of elements, notes, SO1. I've never found any of the cutting files to be deleted, so really I've no idea what that is about. I always just go okay, down to my computer. Right, and then that will be in my downloads. Right, so I'll bring that over to here so you can see that as well. So this is here, so this is the file that we've just done. You hover over it, scan and cut. The size is 79.2. Be interesting to see what the size of this one is. Yeah, so it's quite a bit bigger. Okay, so we'll rename this one. So both of those files are ready to go and be plugged into my brother machine. Right, so you can just select the whole lot if you want to, and you can actually group them as well. And that way, just click on it and you can move them out and do another project. But that's as easy as it is when the file is small and can be easily imported. But it does pay to print off a piece of the pattern and measure it on the board to make sure that it is the right size. My next lesson will be on when it shrinks it to fit each time, but you don't want it to shrink. And you want to get the correct size. Watch my next video for that one. Thank you very much.